Hi everybody, I hope you're doing well. You guys are here for the unpacking of package number 3, which is of the Advent calendar of Beware. Advent Sunday, the third Advent Sunday represents joy. And what I wanted to do today is tell you a little bit of a background of how the Advent calendar came together. I reached out to the ladies at Beware and asked them where the idea came from and what their intention was. And I find it very funny because she told me half of the story because she wanted the rest to be surprised. So I might have another half of the story next week. But she said that the thought was very simple this year. They wanted to make the calendar that fits everybody, even if they don't celebrate Christmas as they do in their culture. They still wanted to use colors that connect to the season. So in this case, the first package was they call it Santa Red. And then the second package was lilac, and that is for the ornaments that they put in the tree. And then the third part will be told on Sunday. Okay, so I will include the third part in next week's video. But in any case, I am very happy that I committed and that I purchased this. I enjoyed the surprise element of it. I also enjoy the fact that I can go back and see what each Advent Sunday represents. So you guys are waiting way too long. Whoopsie. I mean, I should have known. My makeshift Christmas tree. I finally got the tree up. I should have learned from last week and just put some scissors here, which I didn't again. It's open. Let me semi-close my eyes. I mean, come on. You guys see it first, then I'll see it, and then we'll go through everywhere, okay? Oh my goodness. I hope you're seeing everything in all of its glory. Okay, we need to adjust. Okay, we need to adjust. Oh my, things fell down. Okay, the camera is not going to, oops, it's empty now. The camera is not going to do it justice. I already know. We're in whites. In the whites. Woo, child. Okay, cool. Let's see how we'll start with the notions first. We have Pico elastic. Oh my goodness. Let's see how I'm going to adjust. Okay, so we have Pico elastic right here, 1 centimeter. Another one right here. We have the wider Pico elastic. Oh, camera, come on, focus on that, please. The wider. We have 2 closures, a row of 3 with 3 hooks, a row of 3 with 2 hooks. We got rings and sliders. Let's see what we'll have. We have silver rings and sliders. We got a 3, yeah, so we got 2 of the bigger size. I think the 1.8 or 2 centimeters, and then these are 1.5, I suppose. I don't have my raggedy ruler. Okay, we have another type of elastic which also has the Pico. It's a little wider, but it's not elastic. It's not an elastic that I ever used before. Ooh, this is really nice. Okay, let me just show you. So you see this? This is really nice. So it is an elastic picot, but it has a little bit of sheer right here, and then a really thin opaque part, which I would assume that you can use it as like a lace, as a lace part. Let's see, what did I make recently? Oh, I think I made it. I think I took a picture. I'm not really sure, but if I did, I'll just insert it in the video. I lost the elastic already. Okay, this is the strap elastic. We have one here. We have another strap elastic, and I think the reason why we're getting like the different sizes also so that everybody can be included, no matter your size or anything. So, and there's enough to make stuff. So this is the first lace. Very beautiful. It is a stretch lace. It has the scallop edge, and it has beautiful flowers. We have another stretch lace. This one has a different, it does have flowers. It has a little bit of a metallic sheen to it, but also very beautiful. And I thought what I can do with all of these sets kits that I got are, I ordered the Madeline Sewing Lingerie book, which is her first book. I'm waiting for it to arrive sometime next year because I don't know. And I thought I could use all of these kits and these supplies to create those patterns, because the book comes with 11 patterns, so I think I have enough. Ooh, look at this. What is this? Let me not be spreading. This this is mesh. Ooh, nice, and a lot of it. Beautiful. I'm feeling so many sets. This is power knit. Using to stabilize, give support. And this is sheer cup lining. Okay, and then yeah, I showed you everything. I showed you the mesh, the power knit, the sheer cup lining, the two laces, the picot elastic, which is two of the kind that we already know about, and then a new one with a little bit of sheer and scallop, which is going to be amazing and like in a simple underwear. We have the closures, and we have the strap elastic, and of course the rings and sliders. I really like this one. You can never go wrong with white in general, and so I hope to tell you the rest of the story next week. And of course next week will be the culmination of the package, and this is the heaviest one, so I am very, very excited. As always, I enjoy making this video. I hope you enjoy watching. Don't be afraid to comment down below if you have any questions or just want to say hey. And you have a great day. Bye.